Seed takes root and grows to be a plant just like the source of the seed. Some grow flowers, then await an agent that will pollinate. How plants spread is amazing to me. Seeds can be spread by the wind and wave, or catch a ride to a new place. If they take root and germinate, a seedling will grow. The process is named germination. Say it with me. Germination. The life cycle's done.
Mrs. A reminds them that more plants of the same kind come from the seeds of that plant. But how are the seeds spread? Plants can't move on their own. Sometimes weather can help. Wind blows seeds from place to place. Water moves things too, Caitlin points out. So plants growing by or in water might move seeds that way. Animals can move them too, says Caleb. Mrs. A has the supplies to build a model so they can see how this works. They make each of their animals brush up against the flower and move off in different directions. The kids watch where the pieces fall, but don't pick them up. If they do this again, will the seeds fall in the same pattern? The animals brush up against the flower again and travel the same path they did the first time. The floor is littered with seeds, but there doesn't seem to be a consistent pattern.